Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a really festive layered card for you. This is my Happy Holidays layered card. You can see that I used some metallics there to really make some extra shimmer. I just love how graphic this design is. You have that fun sentiment there around the top, a cute little ornament right here. It's just really colorful and really Christmassy. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. Now this might look like there's a lot of layers, but don't worry, it's really quite simple to put together. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into those materials. For this project, we're going to need our CRICUT cutting machine, our light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue or adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the Operation menu and change those to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope and for the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Alright, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is layer the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different things together, but from back to front, You're going to start with the green, then the gold, red, and yellow. I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit while I do that, and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. And there is our front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can dry. Let's go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. And I will set that to the side. Let's take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Open up the card and attach the messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close up the card and we can attach the front cover panel to the front. And there we go. I will set that to the side so everything can dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over. Place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold those side flaps in. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms your envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this really cute to make? I hope that you like this one. You could totally change the feel depending on what kind of cardstock you use. It's just a really fun card. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.